So Edison Motors built the world's first diesel-electric semi-truck, and you guys have been asking, when can I get a pickup version? Well, I'm pleased to announce that we're going to be doing a pickup version done the same way as our semi-truck, available for a pickup. We've had a lot of success with our design ethos on the semi-truck retrofits, where you can take your old semi-truck, change it up, retrofit it into electric. We want to bring that same level of ethos. No planned obsolescence, right to repair, easy to work on, easy to operate, into a pickup. So if you got a classic old square body Chevy, an old OBS Ford, tired of the fuel mileage, you want to keep it on the road a few more years, we'll take this same thing we've done with the semi-trucks, bringing it into the pickup world. The idea is to keep these old pickup trucks on the road as long as possible. Get more power while burning less fuel. So you got a diesel generator running at 1 constant RPM. The batteries here provide peak load demand. The electric axles back here provide an insane amount of torque. Here's how a retrofit kit works. We remove the old axles and we put in the Edison E-axles. We drop the driveline and transmission and put a generator on it. Then we put batteries, an inverter, and control unit. In the semi-truck, we put it in a headache rack. In the pickup truck, I want to put it into an easy drop-in toolbox into the bed of the truck. We're already doing semi-trucks, so here's the plan on how we're going to integrate pickup trucks. We want to set up a dealership service network where we can make an easy-to-install kit that we can send off to certified Edison installers that can install it in your pickup. We're gonna focus on building the semi-trucks, we're gonna develop a pickup truck kit, and then we're gonna work with a series of certified Edison Motors installers. We can ship the kit to them, you bring your pickup truck to a certified Edison installer, they install it for you, drive away, done. Here's how we're planning on developing this project. Obviously, the money raised from truck sales needs to go funding the truck. So we're launching this on Kickstarter to gauge what the market is. How many people would be interested in an Edison kit? Here's how we wanna do it for our supporters. Those that support us, definitely gonna get some merch. Those that sign up to reserve a truck are the ones that saying, yes, this is a great idea, I want one of these trucks. You sign up, reserve a truck in production, we're gonna make sure you're one of the first people to get it based on the order to sign up. And those that wanna support the product and say, hey, I wanna be a distributor, I wanna be a dealer for the Edison Motors kits, they sign up below, we're gonna enter them and we're gonna be the first ones to offer them the training, the certification to go through it. Obviously, there's going to have to be a lot of training involved in that certification process, but those are gonna be the first ones on the list to apply to be dealers. With your guys' help, I want to make the most practical electric pickup truck kit ever on the market, and I want to make sure we can keep these trucks on the road as long as possible.